DIY auto repair.
All right, guys, and we are back. And that's right, you guessed it. We're doing another Harbor Freight sales video. So I apologize, guys. I haven't really done any car repair videos lately or tool reviews. I'm going to try to get back into that. I have an injury that's preventing me from doing car repairs at the moment. But hopefully soon we could jump back into that. I know these videos of the Harbor Freight coupon sales are getting a little redundant, but I thought I'd at least put something out for you guys. I know I said I was going to be putting something out every week again, and I kind of went back on that, but I'm doing my best to get this out with everything else I got going on around me. So without further ado and rambling on and making excuses, let's jump into this. So we are going to be taking a look at the Deals Alert new coupons. So these are going to be good from Monday, February 20th through Thursday, March 9th. So you still have about 8 days to pick up these sales. So as always, guys, we're going to go ahead and go through these. We're going to touch on some things that I've had experience with or that I've heard about. And also, I would like your guys' opinion. If I miss something, or if you guys think there's a tool that's good or bad, feel free to weigh in on that in the comment section below. So we're going to go ahead and just jump through these. So here we have the Daytona 4-ton professional floor jack with rapid pump. You guys always see these pretty much every week, and I always talk about how good they are. I highly recommend those. So that's on sale for $199.99. Here's another item that is pretty much always on sale that I always speak about. Is these portable jump starters and power packs. This one is with the 250 psi air compressor. I feel like if you're going to go ahead and buy a jump starter, you might as well get one with an air compressor on it. I actually use the air compressor more than I actually use the jump starter itself. So that tells you a lot right there. Usually when your tire gets a little low, just pull this bad boy out and air it up to proper PSI. So we're going to keep going down. Here's a 1500 watt 11 amp dual temperature heat gun. I have one of these. I hardly ever use it, but it's by Warrior. It's still a pretty good heat gun. Here's an Apache 3800 weatherproof protective case large on sale for $34.99. This is good for any kind of tools or a small handgun, small pistol, firearm, camera. You can use this for multiple stuff. See, it's got pictures of 2 firearms there. Camera. And it does look like you have 2 places here to lock it. So that's pretty cool. I have a couple of those, not this actual brand. The ones I have is Pelican. But it's still basically the same thing. Those are really good. Here's a Quinn Master Technicians tool set, 428 piece for $349.99. Not too bad. I recommend the Quinn. As you guys know, I have a Quinn socket set. I've done a review on it before. The sockets are great. Never had an issue with them. The only thing that I have had some complaints with is the ratchets, because sometimes these give out, and I just don't. The sockets are fine, just the ratchets themselves, not very good quality. But you do get the warranty on those, so you could just swap those out. So it might not be a bad idea to get it. And who knows, maybe they've upgraded their ratcheting system since the last time I did a review on it. So we're going to keep going. Like I said, I'm just going to skim through some of these. Here's something interesting I haven't really seen before. This is the Bauer Modular Rolling Toolbox. On sale for $64.99, originally $69.99. Not a big difference there. Not too bad. Oh, here you go, and you have the large box, the smaller. It's basically kind of like the Milwaukee modular toolbox set. And for the price, you might want to just go with Milwaukee. Price is kind of very competitive up there with the higher end brands like Milwaukee and I was gonna say Stanley, not Stanley. DeWalt. That's what I was trying to think of. Still not bad. I wonder, anybody ever, going back to this, has anybody had any, has bought this, and, what are your thoughts on it? Is it high quality? Or, looks like a metal latch right there. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so if anybody's had any experience with this, feel free to let everybody else know in the comment section below. I'm curious to know about it. So I'm just gonna keep on scrolling. Here's a 5-inch swivel vise with an anvil for $49.99. Here's a 20-volt cordless 96 mile per hour jet fan blower, the tool only, for $49.99. Here's actually something I've been wanting to pick up and just never have, but now that it's on sale, I might actually take advantage of it. It's the Maddox bearing race and sill driver set, 10-piece. Easily replace bearing races without damaging the race or axle housing. On sale for $29.99, originally $42.99. Definitely want to pick this up. It's not a bad deal. I gotta actually try to pick that up this time. Every time I see it go on sale, guys, I want to go and pick it up, and I never do. I always miss it. So I really got to get down there and pick it up. Here's a 6-outlet power strip with metal housing for $14.99. Same thing. I wouldn't mind trying this out. But actually, this is not the one I'm thinking. The one I'm thinking of is the U.S. Generals. That's the one I'm thinking of. My bad. Here's another thing I would like to try out. Here's the 3-ton aluminum jack stands. Weighing only 4.75 pounds per stand for easily positioning. These rugged aluminum jacks stands support up to 6,000 pounds. I'm curious to try these, but I'm a little skeptic of them. I did feel those in the store, and they are very light. They are, well, it's aluminum. They are aluminum, and they feel very light, and I'm kind of skeptic about it. I don't know how comfortable I'd feel underneath the car with those holding up the vehicle. But still some nice Daytona jacks. Anybody had any experience with those? Comment down below. I would really like to hear about that. Did you feel safe, or have you had any issues with those? Keep on scrolling. Here's a 30-foot retractable test leads. I actually have this, and I used it once or twice, and this thing actually comes in handy. It keeps a lot of wiring out of the way, and never had an issue with it. I've only used it twice, but each time I've never had an issue with it. So as you can see here, you could test components, and it's 30 feet, and they're retractable, so you can pull out just as much as you need, and you don't have a bunch of wires just tangled up around here, or getting into areas that it could get too hot and fray, or get caught up in the serpentine belt or anything like that. So it's on sale for $14.99. Original price is $19.99. I would definitely for $5 go and pick that up. $5 difference anyway. And here we have an Icon 1/2-inch drive, 18-inch professional breaker bar for $29.99, originally $34.99. I have the Pittsburgh breaker bar, and I've never had an issue with it at all. And I think that one I got on sale for $15.99 or $19.99. I can't remember, but I've used that quite often. I've beat it quite often and never ever had an issue with it. And that's it, guys. That is all the super coupon deals for Harbor Freight going on Monday, February 20th through Thursday, March 9th. Sorry I got on this a little late, but still giving you 8 days to go and pick up anything that you guys might see or that you guys might need. That's on sale. Especially in today's world, might as well get what you can as cheap as you can. So $5 here, $10 there, it adds up, guys. So anyway, guys, hopefully we can get back onto some repair videos. I do have a tool review that I just haven't shot yet that I really want to get out there to you guys. I actually have another tool. I haven't used it, but maybe we could do like an unboxing of that. So hopefully we can get that out to you guys in the next couple of days or by next week. So anyway, guys, just be patient. I'm trying to get these videos out to you guys, and we'll keep going. So anyway, guys, enough rambling on. I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to ring that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And until next time, guys, have a